The appearance of the Eldar is a complete mystery to me. I have dealt with these treacherous aliens in the past, and have never seen rhyme nor reason to their actions. It is unnerving. I prefer the Orc as an opponent. For all their brutality, there is a twisted form of honor with the Orcs. They meet their opponent on the field of battle, but the Eldar seem to have contempt for all. Fighting them is like shooting at mist and shadows. Isidore spent hours interpreting the runes on the marker that was unearthed by the forces of chaos, and has discovered what they seek. He claims it is some form of key, but to unlock what, he is unsure. Never mind. It is enough that the chaos forces seek it. The key lies in the ruined city of St. Louvre-Mar.
Choices are gone. We have but one recourse left. Do you understand what is asked of you?
You cannot ask that which I offer freely, Farseer. My life is yours.
It belongs to all Elder now, brave one. You will become the war cry made manifest. The host is assembled, and we fully commit ourselves to the battle. You are the best of us. May Kala Mencha Kane find you worthy of becoming his avatar. Then the humans shall have the death they seek.
This delay! You cost us the key, Sindri. The false Emperor's lackeys and Eldar will battle for the city. They are not but hapless fools before your might, Lord Bale. Surely, a modicum of patience is in order here. Matters progress to your benefit and my devices. You'll see. Have faith. Have I led you astray thus far? No. But if you fail me in this... Yes, then my suffering will be great. Just be ready to move when I instruct.
Just a bit longer, and then the key will be mine.
You are approaching the objective. On your guard, brothers. The key is located in this monument, which is currently held by the Eldar. An ambush! Foul Xenos! We must find our way through the city to the monument and take it from these treacherous aliens. My faith is my shield.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt. With me, brothers.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
Scouts reporting for duty. Scouts ready.
Marine squad deployed. Heresy grows from idleness. Understood.
Defending objective.
Await your instructions. Build routine
Yes, my lord.
721 initiated.
Marine squad deployed. Direct us to the enemy.
What would you have me do? We are united in his service. For the glory of the Emperor.
Under fire! For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter.
Defending objective.
My aim shall not falter.
For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter.
Scouts ready. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions. Infiltrating enemy territory.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Yes, my lord. We are the Emperor's chosen.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. For the honor of the chapter, my faith is my shield. An Imperial relic. We cannot allow these precious relics to fall into enemy hands. There are 3 relics rumored to be located in the area. Capture them, if at all possible. They can be captured by infantry in the same way strategic points are captured.
Defending objective. Scouts awaiting orders. Search commencing.
Fear denies faith. We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Fear denies faith.
Scouts here.
Under fire! Faith is our shield. Awaiting orders. Understood.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
For the Emperor!
Today the enemy shall know fear. For the
Under
honor
fire.
of the chapter.
For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter. Faith and duty. My aim shall not falter.
What is that thing?
A demon conjured by the treacherous eldar. It is called an avatar.
We cannot allow this abomination to walk on Imperial soil. Destroy it, but be wary, brothers. My aim
will be
shall
an
not
enemy
falter. To be reckoned with. What would you have me do? I serve mankind.
My will is undone!
Confirmed. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. My aim shall not falter. For the Emperor. For the glory of the Emperor.
At your command. Awaiting orders. Stay vigilant, brothers.
Here to serve. As you wish. Build routine 721 initiated.
Marine squad
Venerate the
deployed.
immortal Emperor.
What is your order?
Praise the Emperor. Taking command.
There is no such thing as innocence, only degrees of guilt.
Yes, my lord.
The Emperor protects.
My knowledge is at your disposal. I stand ready.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. He who stands with me shall be my
An
brother.
open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
I await your instructions.
Scouts ready. Yes, my lord.
Hope is the first step
Beware
on the
the
road
alien,
to
the
disappointment.
mutant, the heretic. Faith and duty. I serve mankind. Agreed. For terror. My aim shall not falter.
Under fire! Space Marines!
Walk softly and carry a big gun. While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. Walk softly and carry a big gun. The Avatar is retreating.
For the Emperor! Fire in the hoe!
Praise the Emperor.
Fire in the hoe!
I serve mankind. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
For the Emperor!
My aim shall not falter. The Avatar is destroyed. The Eldar will not fight so fiercely now that their symbol of war is vanquished. Emperor. Well done, my brothers. Agreed. My faith is my shield. We are united in his service.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Praise the Emperor.
Under fire!
What would you have me do?
What is your will?
Faith is our shield.
Venerate the immortal Emperor.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Moving out.
Yes, Lord?
What would you have me do? For the honor of the chapter.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Scouts here. Infiltrating enemy territory.
What would you have me do?
Under fire!
He who stands with me shall be my brother. My aim shall not falter.
Defending objective.
He who stands with me shall be my brother. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. For the glory of the Emperor. For the Emperor.
Here to serve. Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated. Your instructions.
On alert, brothers.
Under fire!
The enemy must be nearby.
What's your order? Charge!
Knowledge is power. Hide it well.
The Emperor protects.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred and unguarded.
Scouts awaiting orders. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated. I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated. What is your will? Yes, Lord. As you wish. Build routine 721 initiated.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Defending objective. Scouts ready. Commencing infiltration.
Here to serve. Yes, Lord. I shall obey. Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, Lord. I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. I shall not fail. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Under fire!
My aim shall stand with me, shall be my brother.
Squad morale restored.
Follow my lead. On alert,
Squad
brothers.
broken!
The enemy must be nearby. My aim shall not falter. Praise the Emperor.
Squad broken!
Squad morale restored.
Squad morale restored!
Agreed. For the honor of the chapter. What would you have me do? For the Emperor. Confirmed. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter. We are united in his service. Agreed.
I await your instructions. Here to serve. Build routine 721
Under
initiated.
fire!
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Squad broken!
My aim shall not falter. He who stands with me shall
Squad
be my
broken.
brother.
Squad morale restored.
Squad morale
Faith
restored!
and duty! While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Under fire!
He who stands with me
Under
shall
fire.
be my brother. Confirmed. Agreed.
We stand ready. Moving out.
At your command. Yes, my lord. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Here to serve. Build routine 721 initiated.
What would you have me do?
Marine squad deployed.
We are united in his service.
Heresy grows from idleness. Weapons at ready. It is time. At your command.
Knowledge is power. Hide it well. I shall never tire.
Under fire.
The Eldar have fortified this bridge and closed the gate. In order to get through, we must capture and hold the strategic point on the bridge for 2 minutes. This will give us enough time to rework the gatehouse circuitry and open the gates.
Scouts here.
Under
Defend
fire.
Assault Terminators are now available for deep strike
Infiltrating
from the
enemy
chapel
territory.
barracks. Terminators are now available for
What
deep
would you
striking.
have me do?
They can be found at the chapel barracks.
I shall
the
not fail.
orbital relay is ready for construction. With the mobility it will grant us, we cannot fail. We have captured all 3
We
relics
shall
in this
know
area.
no fear.
Relics justify the requisition of the Emperor's finest troops.
Here to serve.
We may now requisition Terminators at the orbital relay structure. Use these units well. They are almost unstoppable on the field of battle.
Build routine 721 initiated.
Under fire! Yes, my lord. Fear our wrath. Charge!
Defending
We've
objective.
captured the strategic point controlling the bridge. Now we must hold it against
Under
the
fire.
enemy.
At your command. Stay vigilant, brothers. Apothecary, the battlefield awaits. Who requires my aid?
have awoken.
The battlefield awaits. No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I can help it. No servant of the Emperor shall fall.
We only
if I
need to
can
hold the
help
bridge
it.
point for
Under
1 more
fire.
minute.
Faith
Stay
is
vigilant,
eternal.
brothers.
By his word.
The fallen shall be forever remembered as the Emperor's finest. Under fire!
I have awoken.
Under fire! Under fire! Under fire!
I am the instrument of his will. I am the instrument of his will. Moving out. I am ready to serve again.
Direct me to the injured. I follow your command.
We have captured the bridge. The gates will now be lowered.
I am ready to serve again. At last, back to war. At last, back to war.
Direct me to the injured. The enemies of the Emperor shall be destroyed.
Here to serve. Here to serve.
Scouts reporting for duty, my lord.
Under fire! Under
Welcome,
fire!
mortal emperor.
We stand ready. Understood. Understood.
Today the enemy shall know fear. My aim shall not falter.
Under fire! For the Emperor!
My will is undone! My faith is my shield. My aim shall not falter. Praise the Emperor. I command in the name of the Emperor.
Squad morale restored.
Fear not the Psycho.
Squad broken!
I am ready to serve. Again.
I follow your commands.
Fear not the Psycho. My knowledge is at your disposal.
Squad morale restored. Awaiting orders.
Here to serve.
Under fire!
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. Taking command.
Under
Scouts
fire!
awaiting orders. I sense danger. We will root it out. Getting into position.
For the Emperor!
Yes, Lord? Build routine 721 initiated.
Scouts ready. Search commencing. On patrol. At your command. Search commencing. Scouts advance. Search commencing. Scouts in position. Scouts advance.
Faith is eternal. At last, back to war.
No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I can help it. I follow your commands. I follow your commands. Under fire! The enemies of the Emperor shall be destroyed. 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 The enemies of the Emperor shall be destroyed.
Scouts awaiting orders. On patrol. Getting into position.
Direct us to the enemy.
An open mind is like a fortress with its gates unbarred
Awaiting
and
orders.
unguarded.
Beware the alien,
Under fire.
the mutant, the heretic.
Scouts ready.
Command me. To me, my brothers. I will be there soon. Even in death I still serve.
No servant of the Emperor shall fall if I can help
Yes,
it.
Lord?
Under fire!
better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
At your command, mind over matter. Through discipline, we prevail.
Marine squad deployed. Heresy grows from idleness. Stay vigilant, brothers. Weapons at ready. It is time. Fear denies faith. Under
I
fire!
await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
At your command. Under fire! Charge!
This would be an excellent location for a secondary base.
Even in death I still serve. I will be there soon. Command me.
Faith and duty. Follow my lead. We are united in his service.
At your command.
Scouts ready. Scouts awaiting orders.
My knowledge is at your disposal.
Yes, my lord.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Onward to glory!
Faith is eternal.
We shall know no fear. My aim shall not falter. My aim shall not falter.
Under fire!
My aim shall not falter.
Defending objective.
My aim shall not falter.
At your command. Infiltrating enemy territory.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
At once. At once. Mind over matter. I shall never tire. Through the destruction of our enemies do we earn our salvation.
Under fire!
Charge! Do I detect uncertainty in your purpose?
Defending objective.
Mind over matter. Charge! Charge! I serve. Charge! I can sense the enemy. They are close. Charge!
Yes, my lord. Search commencing. We will move ahead and mark any enemy positions.
Faith is eternal.
Scouts awaiting orders.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Under fire!
Charge!
Under fire!
I am the instrument of his will.
Charge!
Defending
It is better
objective.
to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Charge!
I shall never tire. I shall never tire.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Scouts ready. Yes, my lord. Commencing infiltration.
Command me.
Charge!
I shall never tire.
At once.
Even in death I still serve.
At once.
Through discipline, we
Under fire!
prevail.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
Heresy grows from idleness. Orders received. Under fire!
At last, back to war. I am ready to serve. Again.
Charge!
Through the destruction of our enemies do we earn our salvation. Through the destruction of our enemies do we earn our salvation.
Yes, my lord. Infiltrating enemy territory.
I am ready to serve. Again.
Charge!
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself. Even in death I still serve. Even in death I still serve. Even in death I still serve. Faith is eternal.
Squad morale restored.
Even in death I still serve.
Under
Defending
fire!
objective.
Maintain attack formation. Charge!
I am ready to serve. Again.
It lies within reach now. You sense its power, do you not? Still think you have the strength to use it against me. All that stands in your way is the Farseer.
Kill me, obliterate my body, and cast my name to the wind. But you must heed me. Bury that which lies beneath my feet. It will undo us all. I may be your enemy in this, but we both have a greater foe.
Do not listen, Gabriel. We must destroy this alien.
She knows much. Much we need to learn.
What could she offer but lies? Do not trust her, Gabriel.
The key! No! Damn you!
Who was that alien? What did he steal?
A key. The last step along a bloody path.
A key to what?
The undoing of us all.
Stop speaking in riddles.
He stole a key. A key to the shadows of this world, to the evil horror that lies within.
Tell me what this key does.
You do not know. Your Inquisitor keeps you on a short leash. He knows. Ask him.
How dare you speak ill of the Emperor's loyal subject?
He has known since he arrived. Or should I say, he never left. Do you not think it convenient he appeared from nowhere and landed on the cusp of a warp storm? Or that I know him already? Human, you are caught in events beyond your reckoning. But we can help one another and stop the forces of chaos from succeeding.
You fought well, alien. And while we share common goals, I cannot risk your betrayal in this matter. You have squandered enough of my attentions.
No. For better or worse, we are locked in our course now, him and I. Your enemies have taken position in the Danan city sector. They will not remain there long. We are too weak to fight them. You have seen to that.